Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we'll be starting with statement of purpose for class 11th and 12th ISC board. Let's have a look on SOP and what does this mean? How do we have to write the format for this? How to score full marks in this portion? Now, SOP is a personal statement about a person, his interests, the influences he had in life and his future plans. यानी एक पर्सन के बारे में, उसके इंटरेस्ट के बारे में एंड जितने भी उसने लाइफ में कुछ अचीव करा हो, फ्यूचर प्लान्स उसके क्या हैं, ये सब कुछ SOP डिफाइन करता है. इट इज़ नॉट जस्ट अ बोल्ड स्टेटमेंट ऑफ फैक्ट्स बट मे इंक्लूड एनेक्डोट्स, स्टोरीज और डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ अ पर्सन्स एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड आइडियल्स. यहाँ पर SOP में आप सब कुछ अपने स्टोरीज, आपकी एक्सपीरियंसेस सब कुछ शेयर कर सकते हैं. It is usually written for admission into a particular course in an educational institute or while applying for a job to state the purpose for joining a particular course or institute or applying for a particular job. यहाँ पर आपका SOP किस किस में काम आता है. For example, you are applying फॉर एन एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन, या तो आप किसी जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो तब आपका SOP काम आता है. मोस्टली ये कॉलेजेस में काम आता है एंड स्पेसिफिकली फॉरेन कॉलेजेस, वहाँ पर एडमिशन लेने के लिए स्टूडेंट्स हैव टू राइट एक्सेप्शनल SOP और उनके SOP जो होने चाहिए इट शुड बी इम्पेकेबल. तो यहाँ पर हम बात करेंगे कि SOP हमें लिखना कैसे है. देखो एग्जाम में तो ISC के एग्जाम में यही आएगा कि SOP आपको लिखना है टू गेट एडमिशन टू अ प्रेस्टिजियस कॉलेज. So why do you want to apply in that college? What course have you opted for and why do you want to do only that course? उसमें आपको अच्छे से बताना है कि आपको वो कोर्स क्यों लेना है एंड आप कैसे फिट हैं, आप कैसे स्टैंड आउट करते हैं दूसरे कैंडिडेट्स के कंपैरिजन में, ताकि आपको जो कॉलेज है वो ले ले. आप ऐसे स्टूडेंट होने चाहिए कि कॉलेज अगर आपको लेगा तो उसको फ़ायदा होगा. द SOP is a chance for a person to talk directly to the selectors and to make oneself stand out from among a multitude of similarly qualified candidates. The SOP should convince the readers that you are genuinely interested in joining a particular institute or applying for a job. उसमें आपको इंटरेस्ट दिखना चाहिए कि आप बिल्कुल डेडिकेटेडली आपको उसको ही ज्वाइन करना है, उसी कॉलेज को ज्वाइन करना है, उसी जॉब को ज्वाइन करना है. ओके, नाउ हाउ विल यू स्टार्ट विद द SOP? You have to introduce yourself, your interests and motivations. Elaborate on your academic interest. Give convincing reasons for joining a particular course or institute or applying for a particular job. Emphasize everything from a positive perspective and write in active, not passive voice. Now I'll briefly tell you what exactly to write. आपको अपने इंटरेस्ट लिखने हैं, आपको जिसमें आपकी हॉबी होगी, मोटिवेशंस लिखने हैं. एकेडमिक इंटरेस्ट आप बता सकते हैं कि I've always been academically bright and I scored 97 in my 10th class ICSE board and 98 in 12th. So that is all what you can include. And then you also have to include the reasons for joining a particular course. For example, you want to do BSc Maths Honours. So you have to tell what is the reason behind it. Why only BSc Maths Honours? Why are you not opting for other courses? यही कोर्स आपको इंटरेस्ट क्यों कर रहा है, आपको सब एक्सप्लेन करना होगा. एंड प्लीज़ ट्राई टू राइट अ सेटिस्फाइंग आंसर, ताकि उनको भी लगे कि हाँ ये इसमें डेडिकेशन है और ये फालतू में नहीं लिख रहा है, फालतू में ऐसे ही जॉब या कोर्स लेने के लिए नहीं आया है. एंड यस, दिस पॉइंट इज डेफिनेटली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डेमोन्स्ट्रेट एवरीथिंग बाय एग्जाम्पल. Don't say directly that you are a persistent person, show it. For example, you'll write something in your SOP like, I'm a very energetic person, I love to play basketball and I have also played several matches. But you did not specify which matches have you played, if it was of national level or state level. So you have to also prove that in your SOP, that you have done this in this field. Now let's move on to the latest ISC statement of purpose SOP format. First, you have to write the introduction paragraph, that is your basic introduction should be covered in this part. Then comes your body, where you'll write the reasons which shows your interest in the given subject. Then second paragraph is all about your reasons to join the institute. Third paragraph, state your qualifying qualities for getting selected. Then comes your conclusion. Okay, I'll show you one SOP. Okay, so if the question comes that you have applied in a sports college and you have to write SOP for that, so you can write this line: I have represented my state in youth basketball championship, and I've also represented my country in FIBA Championships 2017. So this is just a small example, and you may also write that I am a sprinter and I won laurels for my school at district level, and so on. You have to write more about sports part because you are applying in a sports college. Plus, include your academic performance as well. It's not like you are applying in a sports college, so you don't have to mention your academic record in 10th and 12th. You need to do that, and if you are good in that part also, like you scored really well in 10th and 12th grade, then it creates a good impact towards the people, the board members, because they may know that you are an all-rounder and you can manage your studies with sports. And I'll start with this format. This is just an example. You may also go to the description box, and there is a video on SOP only. I've made it like 4 to 5 months back. You may check it out because I have given the format, and also there is one full SOP. You may link to the video after you watch this. To claim and reach heights has always been the driving force behind all my achievements. With my keen interest in computer applications, I was always fascinated of studying Java programming at school. So basically you are applying for computer science, computer applications as your majors. It was due to my keen interest in the subject that I had computer science after my 10th board. The goal is to study with more interest computer applications, and to increase my learning skill drifted me to pursue course at the university level. To be successful in life, right monitoring is required. I am sure that St. Stephen's College is the best institute which can lead to the all-round development of my personality. So whatever the college name is, this is also a college, a renowned college in University of Delhi. Now, there are numerous reasons for calling the institute the best. Firstly, it is the best institute with a brand name. Successful alumni itself acts as a motivation to excel. They may ask you, why do you want to join this college only? What's special about it? You may include that the alumni. It really motivated me to get admission to this college. Secondly, education pursued in this college is life enriching. Not only education, students are provided with the best guidance. Thirdly, the students-teachers bonding, which is the very basic of learning, inspires every student of this college to reach great heights and become successful in life. I have seen students writing that the infrastructure of this college is really marvelous, and that's not a very good reason to choose a college. You don't go for the infrastructure, you go for the course, you go for the studies, higher studies. So please include relevant details. Now, fourthly, the experience of the alma mater is an example enough to understand the role of the college in shaping the lives of every student. The long list of the software engineer, web developers, application developers, and coding experts in various departments who have made a mark in their lives are proof enough to understand that this is the best institute to study computer applications. This is a verified reason. Being very passionate about my dreams of joining the best institute of the country, I worked extremely hard to score 90% in ISC class 12th examination. So whatever your score is in 12th, apart from excelling in academics, I have won numerous achievements for my school in various co-curricular activities at state and national level, like Olympiad, inter-school web designing and development championship. Doing various coding programs is my most preferred avocation during my free time. My other hobbies include drawing, writing poems, and reading various books. So this was something extra. Now, since you are applying in for the course of computer applications, you must have achieved in that part also. You must have represented your state, your school in that competition. Like there are coding competitions. Now, I'm confident that these hobbies of mine will attain the greater level of excellence in this college, and will mold me into a gentleman to contribute my work for the nation in future. So that is the ending. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt, you may ask me in the comment section.